66 million years ago, Earth was ruled by giants. Dinosaurs that shaped the land as much as they dominated it. In a geological instant, a massive asteroid struck, wiping out the non-avian dinosaurs and ending their reign. This extinction didn't just remove animals, it triggered a transformation of the very land itself. The absence of these giants left a void, altering the shape of continents, forests, and rivers. The world we know today, lush forests, winding rivers, emerged from the silence left by their disappearance. Dinosaurs were more than inhabitants, they were the planet's first great engineers, constantly reshaping their environment. When they vanished, the rules of the landscape changed, setting off a cascade of ecological shifts. Plants, soil, and water all responded, slowly creating the contours of our modern world. Recent research reveals this extinction was as much a geological event as a biological one. To understand our world, we must look back to when giants walked the earth and recognize their immense power over the land. To grasp the world before the asteroid, imagine not just dinosaurs living on the land, but actively engineering it. Like elephants today, but on a far grander scale, dinosaurs trampled forests, flattened vegetation, and kept landscapes open. Herds of massive sauropods like Argentinosaurus acted as living bulldozers, preventing forests from ever closing in. Their constant movement and feeding kept the land in a perpetual state of early succession, open, patchy, and dominated by fast-growing plants. The dinosaurs' daily routines shaped which plants survived and how water flowed across the land. Without dense tree roots, soil was loose and easily eroded, and rivers ran wild. The world was a patchwork of bare earth and resilient weeds, perfectly suited to the giants who maintained it. Their presence was so fundamental that their sudden disappearance would guarantee a total environmental overhaul. Scientists now see dinosaurs as ecosystem engineers, their influence woven into every aspect of their world. When they vanished, the land was left vulnerable, ready for a dramatic transformation. The stage was set for a new kind of world to emerge. The dinosaurs' role was so crucial that their extinction would trigger changes from the ground up. Their absence marked the end of an era and the beginning of another. With dinosaurs constantly disturbing the land, Cretaceous rivers were nothing like those today. Sparse vegetation and loose soil meant heavy rains washed sediment straight into river channels. Riverbanks, lacking strong roots, eroded easily, creating wide, shallow, and ever-shifting rivers. These rivers braided and flooded often, carving new paths and leaving behind chaotic landscapes. The land was in constant motion, shaped by both giant animals and unrestrained waterways. Geologists pieced together this world by studying ancient rocks, revealing evidence of these unstable river systems. The rock layers from the dinosaur era lack features of the stable, meandering rivers that would come later. It was a world built for giants, open, restless, and always changing. When the asteroid struck and dinosaurs vanished, the land finally fell silent. For the first time in over 150 million years, plants could grow undisturbed. Saplings that once would have been trampled now survived, and forests began to reclaim the continents. Over centuries, dense woodlands replaced the open, weedy landscapes of the Cretaceous. Deep tree roots stabilized the soil, reducing erosion and anchoring the land. Rainwater was absorbed, and the forest floor became a sponge holding moisture and nutrients. Rivers, now bordered by strong roots, changed shape, no longer wild and straight but winding and stable. The chaotic rivers of the dinosaur age transformed into the meandering waterways we know today. Forests had tamed the land, creating a new, stable world. The earth was reborn, shaped by the absence of its former giants. How do we know what ancient rivers looked like? The answer is written in the rocks. Sedimentary layers record the story of vanished landscapes, preserving the transition from dinosaur-dominated chaos to forested stability. In places like the Williston and Bighorn basins, rock layers span the extinction, offering a side-by-side comparison of worlds before and after dinosaurs. Researchers found that post-extinction rocks contain point bars, features formed by meandering rivers in forested landscapes. These were absent in older dinosaur-era rocks, which showed only straight, unstable river systems. The rocks tell a clear story. Before the extinction, rivers were wild. After, they became stable and curvy. This geological record is physical proof of a fundamental, permanent change in the land. The landscape's transformation is etched in stone, a testament to the power of extinction. To confirm the timing of this transformation, scientists searched for a unique marker, the iridium layer left by the asteroid impact. Iridium, rare on Earth but common in asteroids, settled as a thin, dark line in sediments worldwide. In the Bighorn Basin, this layer precisely marks the boundary between dinosaur and mammal eras. Below it, dinosaur fossils and chaotic river deposits. Above, no dinosaurs and rock showing stable, meandering rivers. The change was abrupt, not gradual. The iridium layer provided the final link, tying the extinction event to the birth of the modern landscape. The disappearance of the dinosaurs triggered an immediate transformation of the land. The evidence is clear. The end of the giants meant the beginning of a new world. The story of the dinosaurs is a lesson in how life shapes a planet. For millions of years they were Earth's co-creators, dictating which plants grew, how soil held together, and the paths of rivers. Their extinction was a geological event, reshaping the very surface of our world. The fossil record and the rock record together reveal this profound transformation. The shift from wild, straight rivers to winding, stable ones is as telling as any dinosaur bone. This story highlights the crucial role of large animals, megafauna, in maintaining ecosystems. The loss of such giants, past or present, can trigger dramatic changes in the environment. The tale of the dinosaurs connects catastrophic events in the sky to the slow growth of forests on Earth. Our planet is a single, interconnected system, where every part is linked. The rivers and forests we see today are a silent legacy of a lost world of giants.